Now, this car's just arrived this morning, and I want to point out some key things about it, because if you're in the market for a four-wheel drive, diesel, auto, great spec, this Range Rover Velar facelift model, so it's got all the up-to-date systems, the navigation, the gear stick, everything's been updated, so it's the same as a new Range Rover Sport or a big new Range Rover. This car's one owner, it's done 12,000 miles. The guy bought it 12 months ago for £75,000. It's priced at £20,000 less than that. It's a fantastic buy. It's got 2 years Land Rover warranty. It's an R-Dynamic, it's a HSE. It's got 22-inch wheels. It's got electric deployable side steps. At the price this car is, compare it to a Sport or a year-old X5, Q7. I think this car is unbelievable value, and it looks tremendous. It's a Hakuba Silver. It's got full black styling package with it being an R-Dynamic, so you can see the badging, the inserts, the big front splitter, facelift new LED lights, which are auto lights, and adaptive headlights as well. Just a real good looking car. You've got a contrasting black roof. The big thing, look at the wheels. So they just fill the arches beautiful. So you've got big 22-inch wheels, gloss black. You've got mud flaps. If I press this button here, look at this. Very, very rare that. Not many people pay £3,000 for electric deployable side steps. You've then got privacy glass, full black styling on the top there, on the rear section of the back bumper, and it's a HSE. So HSE, you've got heated, cooled seats, massage seats, upgrade sound system. Let me show you inside. The car's a D200, so it's a great on fuel, auto, real good car for the money. I'll start in the back. So if you look here, look at the finishing. With it being a HSE, you've got leather with a white stitching. You've got the upgraded Meridian surround speaker system. So you've got the metal speakers, beautiful leather with a white stitching. It is absolutely immaculate. The car's done 12,000 miles. It just really represents good value, this car. Size-wise as well, to compare to a Sport, it's exactly the same length. You just haven't got as much height. So moving into the front, you've got them lovely luxury side steps, and then look at the door cards here. So you've got memory seat, Meridian surround. Look at them seats. Look at all the different electric options on them. Different steering wheel, digital dash. And I'll show you all the new features you get with this car being a facelift. So, new style steering wheel, which is heated. You've got heated steering wheel, you've got adaptive cruise control, and then you've got your digital cockpit, you've got your paddle shifts and everything here. Now this is what I'm talking about. So if I look to these sections here, if I press this button, so this is exactly the same as the layout on a new model Sport. So you've got your wireless Apple CarPlay, you've got full surround camera system, look at that, which is 3D. Exactly the same camera system as the new Range Rover Sport. Back into the main menu, Android Auto. You've got Alexa, there you go. All them features, you've got deployable side steps buttons so you can adjust them, your navigation. Moving down here, again, you've got massage seats for the two front seats with all the different options. Heated seats. You've got heated and you've got cooled. And it's all an uprated system, so it's the new system. You've got all the different driving modes. You've got dynamic, you've got eco, so you can adjust that button there, air suspension, so the car's got all the adjustments for air suspension. It's got everything you'd want. Moving up above me, sliding sunroof, again, great extras. 12,000 miles, one owner. We'll sell this car today, 100% sell this car today, because I just think the car represents real good value. It looks superb, it's practical, diesel, auto. Look at the boot space. Even got a rubber boot protector. There's an air suspension button there if you want to drop the car down for easy access. So for me, that's the best value four-wheel drive on the whole of our site. 22s, electric steps, one owner, 12,000 miles, Velar R-Dynamic HSE, great car.